to Finismart. In this video, I will guide you on how to add funds in the Upstock Demat account. First of all, if you don't have a Demat account in Upstock, then please refer the link in the description box below. Now let's start on adding funds in Upstock account. First, you need to log into the Upstock account. You can log in here using your login credentials. Now go to the funds section. There are two options coming, securities and commodities. If you want to trade in equity, currency, FNO, then you need to add the fund under securities section. And if you want to trade in gold, silver, etc., then you need to fund in the commodities section. For example, let's add the fund under securities section because I want to trade in the equity section. There are two options coming at the bottom of the screen, withdraw and add funds. We have to add the funds. Click on add funds option. Fill the amount which you need to add in the Upstock account. Then you have to choose the bank account if you have more than one bank account. And this bank account is also linked at the time of Demat account opening. Once you have selected your bank account, you need to select the payment method. In Upstock Demat account, there are 5 options coming for the payment method using the bank portal. The first option, Smart Transfer, is only for IndusInd Bank users who have created their account with 3-in-1 Upstock option. And 4 other options, GPay, UPI, Net Banking and NEFT, RTGS, IMPS. In Net Banking, there are transaction charges applicable, that is rupees 7 per transaction. And for NEFT, charges will be applicable as per bank. Once you have selected this bank account and the payment method, you need to click on the continue. This page will route you to the bank portal and you will add the fund. Once your fund will be added, your fund will be visible under this available to trade section. That's how you can add fund to the Upstock. Stay tuned with Finismart. Thank you. Please like and subscribe this channel.